Alright, in this review I'm going to be showing you one of the best super zoom cameras you can get. This is the Panasonic FZ80 Super Zoom 60x optical zoom camera. We're going to be taking this out on the road. It's going to be a field test. Going to be taking you to the beach. You're welcome. Going to be taking it skydiving, Pacific Fair, a big shopping mall, this urban jungle, showing you exactly the quality you can get in a day, in a night, in IKEA, where we survive. This is going to be a hands-on review. Now this camera, it is a 1200mm equivalent lens. Now I add a bit of digital zoom on top and I'm getting over 3000mm equivalency on this. This is the largest skyscraper. Look at that, you can see the tourists looking through the window. The good thing about this camera is it does 4K, so the quality is actually better than most cameras out there. And you might be thinking, okay, it's not the best one out there. You're right, there are better ones. However, let's just say the Nikon P1000. That guy weighs 1.5 kg. This guy, 500 grams. That guy, $1,000. This guy, 300. So you're making a saving on this beast. You can use it, it's nice. You can enjoy the world with it. Yo, what's up? Welcome to Pacific Fair. This is Australia's largest open rooftop shopping mall.
And so me and my boy AC are off to go and pick up an exciting little gift. What are we going to pick up, Ash?
My guns.
Woo.
We are entering the next level of creeper. So we bought some binoculars a couple of weeks ago and then we learned that cameras can actually zoom in a lot more. So we're getting a 60x zoom Panasonic FZ80 camera. And there's actually a hack to make it go 100,
Whoa.
actually 200x.
No way.
So I'll be showing you to that. We'll be taking it to the beach to do some serious creeping.
Just picked up my Panasonic FZ80. I cannot wait to check it out. Watch this space, we'll show you how much zoom it gives.
Alright, what's in the box? You get the camera, a bit small, that's good. And you get a strap, micro USB, the cap, charger, and the battery. Cool thing is, it charges over USB, it seems. One really cool feature about this camera that I really like is the charge port, once plugged in, can be used to both charge the battery when it's in the off state, or when you turn it on, it can actually transfer files over to your computer. So rather than constantly always having to undo the battery, take out the SD card, plug it into the SD card slot, I just keep that locked in and plug this wire in and transfer all my files straight away and then charge it afterwards. Cool. Let's see. The SD card goes in there. You reckon it'll turn on?
Nice. Might need charging.
Hey. Way. Way. Focus. Now, one thing you need to know about this camera is it is a Panasonic, so the focusing system is not that good. I get around this by always turning off continuous autofocus, and I use one of the buttons to focus manually. That allows me to get the shots, the zoom I want, and then I can zoom in, zoom out. Now, while this camera does have a HDMI port, it doesn't output a live feed, so I'll be using my trusty GoPro to show you what the screen looks like. Alright, so as you can see, I'm hand holding this sucker, and what I do is first I get the zoom I want, and then I have AFA lock as the focus button, so it focuses in when I'm happy with the zoom range. So, hope you enjoyed the show. Let me know what you think of this camera at the end, and you're welcome. Trust me, you're welcome. Alright, it zooms in. It struggled to focus, but that's Panasonic for you. We're gonna try it outside and see if we can get some better controls. Of course, we haven't customized the settings yet, so maybe there's some lots of settings to unlock. I zoom, that'd be cool. Let's check this out. So this should double it. Do.
Looking at the price tag. Really good. Oh my gosh. Yep, they found my size. I found my size as well at Bond. I'm off there to go shopping. This thing is great if you want to just check out your sizes at the shops. If you want to see it's available. Highly recommended. A+++++.
That's dodgy. That's dodgy.
Oh baby, you got me this, so I'm just really busy right now. It doesn't hurt your eyes. You don't have to like go like this, whereas this one you just kind of zoom in, zoom out, and you're done. I can't believe we saw him.
Hey guys, so we are nearby the Q1, which is the tallest skyscraper over in Australia, and we're going to be testing out how well this fella performs in low light. As you can see on the iPhone, it's very, very dark. You can't really see much of a picture, so let's see what we can see. Crazy. It's crazy. Yo, what's up? We're taking you on the IKEA challenge. Now, what does this consist of?
Arguments.
Exactly. I hate you so much. I hate you. I hate you.
I hate you too.
This is the stabilization test as walking. Seems right.
Yes, right. 70. So, what hand chair are we going to get? Like, I really want, like, just a single chair. That one's nice over there. Look at that. How much is that one just there?
It's $1.99.
No way you can actually see the price. It's a bargain. Let's go get it. Let's go. Thanks, man. What shall I eat today?
Okay, Swedish meatballs is $7.99.
Oh, it's expensive.
Fries is $7.95. All right, we're going to opposite ends of IKEA's warehouse, and we're gonna see if we can see each other. Well, I'm gonna see her. I don't know if she's gonna see me. Okay, she's right over there.
Welcome to the Gold Coast Supercar 600. Who is ready to rock? We certainly are. On your marks, get set, go, go, go! On a Saturday morning, on a wet Saturday morning here in Surfers Paradise Beach, where we're about to experience 2018 World Championship Parachuting Awards. Yes, that is right. People from 25 different countries, including Australia and America, will be falling from these graceful skies onto the landing area just there on the sand.
If you come and fly with me, if you come and fly with me, if you come and
Check it out. There's a rainbow. My friends, I'm going to be showing you what lies at the end of the rainbow. Let's zoom in. Oh, there's two rainbows. Anyway. So, well, what's this?
Just like air. Building.
So what building is that? Alright. Someone's house. Super Zoom! Super Zoom! Super Zoom! Super Zoom!
Found some dead bodies.
Really?
Have a look. I'm going to do the ultimate test of time and see if I can zoom into Kulangana. I can currently see like a hotel, but if I zoom out, I literally can't see it. This camera rules, man, seriously. So I just literally zoomed in to a place that is probably no more than, and I can see two buildings there, so two hotels. And I can actually zoom into the windows. You can't see past the windows, but you can see the windows. And when I'm looking with my naked eye, I can barely see those hotels right now. So with this camera, I'm able to zoom in that much and that far, and I can actually see something.